Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Seek Knowledge with Yusra. Now let's start our day with a good quotation. The capacity to learn is a gift, the ability to learn is a skill, the willingness to learn is a choice. So let's start the chapter. Acid, bases and salt. This chapter, acid, bases and salt, was taken from this book of class 7th. This is NCERT book for class 7th. Acid, bases and salt. We use in our daily life a large number of substances such as lemon, tarmate, common salt, sugar and vinegar. Do they taste same? Let's recall taste some edible substance. Listen in table 5.1. If you have not tasted any of these substance now and enter the result in table 5.1. So this is the table of 5.1. The substances are lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, curd, tarmate, sugar, common salt, amla, baking soda, grapes, mango and also cucumber. You find that some of these substances taste sour, some taste bitter, some taste sweet and some taste salty. Okay. Acid, bases and salt. Curd, lemon juice, orange juice and vinegar taste sour. These substances taste sour because they contain acid. The chemical nature of such substance is called acids. The word acid comes from the Latin and which means sour. The acid in these substances are natural. What is baking soda? Does it taste sour? If not, what it tastes, since it does not means it tastes sour. It has no acid in it. It is better in taste. If you rub its solution between finger, feels soapy. Generally, substance like these base. If you will not taste any of these substances, so please taste in your natural. Special type of substance are used to taste whether a substance is called indicators. Plus red cabbage indicator plus vinegar. Next one is the indicator change that the color when added to a solution containing an acid or base. They take change in color. Also turmeric, litmus, china rose petals also, and these all. The natural indication, the most common used in natural indicator is litmus. It is extract from litmus. It has a mauve color in distilled water. When added to an acidic solution it turns to an red, and when added to a base solution it turns blue. It is able in form of solution or in the form of strips of paper known as litmus paper. Generally it is able as red blue litmus paper. And in activity 5.1, make some water with lemon juice. This is an activity, please do this in home. Mix some water with lemon juice in a plastic cup, tumbler, test tube. Next, put a drop of above solution on a strip of the red litmus paper with the help of the dropper. Is there any change in color? Third, repeat the same exercise with blue litmus paper. Note down if there any change in color. Perform the same activity with the following substance: tap water, arranging soap solution, shampoo, common salt solution, sugar solution, vinegar, baking soda, milk of washing soda solution, lime water if possible. Make solution in distilled water. Substance on which litmus has no effect. Name those substance. The solution which is not change in color or either red or blue are known as natural solution. These substance neither perform base or acid. Acid, indicator and base. So take a tablespoon of turmeric powder and a little water and make a paste. Make a turmeric paper as depositing turmeric paste on bottling paper and drying it. Cut it a strip of yellow paper. Obtain, put a drop of soap solution on the strip of turmeric paper. What do you observe? You can prepare greeting card for your mother on her birthday. Apply turmeric paste on sheet plain white paper and dry it. Draw a beautiful flower with a soap solution. With the help of cotton bud, you will get a beautiful greeting card. Similarly, test the solution in tasted. Note down your observation. May you try solution in other substances also. Now I understand why a turmeric white t-shirt in a turmeric red. What is washed with soap? Is it because a soap is a base? So if this video was useful to you, so please don't forget to like, comment and share, and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.